How you doing? How you been? What's going on? What's good? How you getting it in? Body getting it funny. What's going on, people? What's going on, people? Oh, you got 2 videos in one day. Anyway, that being said, what's going on, people? I want to give you an update in reference to Bobbi Kristina as far as Nick Gordon, as far as the court that took place on Friday, which was yesterday. Now, I already put a video out yesterday in reference to this, but I'm going to give you an update version in reference to more information that's come out. Now, in case you forgot, it was Nick Gordon has been charged legally responsible for Bobbi Kristina's death. Okay, and that was on Friday, which was yesterday. You know, because she was found face down in a bathtub in the townhouse on January the 31st, 2015. And she died July the 26th. Now, on September the 16th, he failed to appear for the second time as far as, you know, the Atlanta court. You know, he was supposed to go to Atlanta court, but he didn't appear. So, of course, they said they're trying to get $50 million they're asking for. And I want to give you information in reference to the court proceedings that happened so you can get an idea exactly what it looked like and the people that was there. Okay? I'm going to shoot this over to you as we speak. Okay?
New information in a Fulton County courtroom. A judge has ruled that Nick Gordon is responsible for Bobbi Kristina Brown's death after he failed to appear in court.
Brown, the daughter of the late Whitney Houston, and singer Bobbi Brown died in August of 2015. Now, her death came several months after being found unresponsive in a bathtub at her home in Roswell. Gordon was her longtime partner. Jennifer Leslie was in the courtroom today for the judge's ruling.
Nick Gordon sealed his fate by missing a critical court date today. He used to have a lawyer, but apparently decided to represent himself, and it did not go well for him.
He's ignorant. He's arrogant. He thinks he's above the law.
Bobbi Kristina Brown's aunt was angry when she saw this empty seat in the courtroom, and she wasn't the only one. Fulton County Superior Court Judge T. Jackson Bedford said he gave Gordon several chances to be part of the process and defend himself.
It's absolutely reprehensible that he's thumbed his nose at the court.
Gordon refused to answer questions in this wrongful death civil suit filed on behalf of Brown's estate and joined by her father, Bobbi Brown. His attorney expected that Gordon would be a no-show.
He's shown that his behavior throughout this case to just not care about what's happening here, what happened to Bobbi Kristina Brown, or what the court has ordered.
Gordon tried to use the threat of criminal charges to avoid answering questions in the suit, but the court didn't buy it, and no criminal charges have been filed since Brown was found unresponsive in a bathtub in her Roswell home last February. She died months later in August.
Bobbi Kristina Brown deserved him to answer for what he did. She deserved him to be present. She lost her life. And for him to simply say, I'm not going to participate, I'm going to ignore it, it's really, really beyond the pale. And I'm glad the judge did what he did.
The only thing left to decide is how much Gordon will have to pay. A jury will decide the damages portion of this case later this year, with or without Nick Gordon.
Was first sued by Bobbi Kristina's family June 2015, about a month before she died. The wrongful death lawsuit came later that summer. It alleged he was physically abusive and caused the injuries that led to her coma and her eventual death. It also accused him of stealing her money while she was in that coma. Gordon also spent time in rehab, and he made 2 appearances on the Dr. Phil program where he denied killing Bobbi Kristina. He also said he never physically abused her. Then May of this year, Bobbi Kristina's father, singer Bobbi Brown, joined a wrongful death lawsuit against Gordon. Bobbi Kristina's estate claims that Gordon fed her a toxic cocktail and left her for dead.
in that bathtub.
So what do you think about what happened in court? The fact that they are deciding that they're going to go after him and they signed.
Well, you know what? It's been a long time. Bobbi Kristina's been dead for how long? It's been a long time, hasn't it? They should have been gotten him. He should have been arrested. I'm angry. I'm angry because I want to see some justice. Something has to happen. And it has to happen soon.
And Leola, one last question. The thing that the judge said was that he basically thumbed his nose to the court system on TV. Do you agree with that?
He thumbed his nose? Mm-hmm. I don't know anything about
Meaning
that.
Meaning he disregarded the...
Yeah, I know that. I know. But no. Nick, that sounds like what he would do. Mm-hmm. He's ignorant. He's arrogant. He thinks he's above the law.
And he's not.
He's not. Of course not. Something needs to be done.
Let me give you one of my cards too. And
yes.
Okay, you see that? You know, the family's still in the uproar and they're still upset in reference to Nick Gordon and stuff. Of course they would be, because it's a lot about this story that seemed to be unraveling, and a lot of people feel as though Nick Gordon has something to do with her death. And basically, it's been proven right. You know, so Bobbi Kristina was only 22 years old when she was allegedly murdered. So, you know, all I could do is say, rest in peace, Bobbi Kristina. You know, and I wanted to do an update in reference to that so you can kind of get an idea of, you know, what happened as far as the court proceedings and what happened after it came outside. You know, yesterday I put it out and stuff because I wanted you to see the update as far as, you know, as it was unraveling. But I wanted you to get an idea of what was coming next, and that would be today. So, Saturday. You know, I just want to show you that. And like I said before, rest in peace, Bobbi Kristina and Whitney Houston. You know, and it's just something to let you be aware of. Once I talk about this once again, you know, you never really know the person that you're living with or the person that you trust, their intentions are when it comes down to you. So once again, I'm going to tell you, like I always tell you, to be safe. It's not the person that you don't know that end up killing us. It's the person that we do know. Because when we're around people that we do know, our guard is down. So we don't feel as though we need to be so restricted when it comes to these type of things. And the sad part about it, this has been happening a lot, you know. And I just wanted to put this out there as far as the Friday, as far as the update in reference to Bobbi Kristina, which I talked about yesterday, and I wanted to put it out there again today, okay? So I just want you to know, be safe, and it is officially Saturday, so you really need to be safe if you decide you want to go out. And I'm going to let you know I love you. And thank you for watching. Catch the rays. Until we meet again.